How much is the fee for receiving a relay wire transfer? Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the fees associated with receiving a relay wire transfer. If you're not familiar with relay wire transfers, they're a type of international money transfer service that allows you to send and receive money from different countries. They're a popular choice for people who need to send money to family or friends overseas, or for businesses that need to make international payments. So, how much does it cost to receive a relay wire transfer? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the amount of money you're receiving, the currency you're receiving the money in, the country you're sending the money to, the country you're receiving the money from, the company you're using to send the money. In general, the fees for receiving a relay wire transfer are relatively low. However, it's important to shop around and compare different companies before choosing one to use. Here are a few tips for finding the best deal on a relay wire transfer. Compare the fees charged by different companies. Look for companies that offer discounts for large transfers or for regular customers. Consider using a company that offers a loyalty program. Once you've found a company that you're happy with, you'll need to provide them with some information about the recipient of the transfer. This information typically includes the recipient's name, the recipient's address, the recipient's bank account number, the recipient's bank name. Once you've provided this information, the company will process your transfer and send the money to the recipient. In most cases, the recipient will receive the money within a few days. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Additional tips. Be sure to double-check all of the information you provide when setting up a relay wire transfer. Keep a record of all of your transactions. If you have any problems with your transfer, contact the company you used to send the money. I hope this information is helpful.